Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorial Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about what are the element operators in WebDriverIO. There are couple of there are 18 functions are there. One by one we'll see. Here is a get text is the it will take the text of that particular label or something value, and set value is basically to setting some operation into a text box location. Okay, setting any value we need to set at that moment we can able to anything if you want to click we can able to by using click function, and add value is basically similar to that set value, but only thing different is set value it will set to one time the value, add value we can able to add for multiple values, and clearing the value which is the value we set in the text box we can able to clear, because what will happen sometime multiple times we are running an application, the value is stored into text box. When you enter for new value which is positive case, that moment the value is presented but it will overlap, then it will not accept to login properly. Right, before entering some value into the text box we can able to mention clear the value for that particular text box itself, that we can able to say. And this displayed is nothing but whether that particular element it is displayed or not in a web page. Enabled whether that particular button or label anything it is enabled or not we can able to check. Okay, and also we can able to is selected is nothing but to select checking for whether we are able to select checkbox or not. Okay, and focus is nothing but whether our mouse point is able to focus that particular text box or button or something its location it is there. Okay, and existing is nothing but entire web application location it is presented or not. Get value we can able to get the one attribute value which is similar to like this, not like that. Now we have there are text type and this all the things. No, some value, any value attribute is presented, that particular attribute value getting purpose we can able to use it if that particular attribute having for one particular value attribute. Now we can able to see this particular label or checkbox will take it. Checkbox is having for value attribute, right? That value attribute getting purpose we are going to use for get a value attribute. Okay, and tag name we can able to provide some attribute and we need to get that whether that particular which tag name it is presented for that particular one. We can get the size and property, location, HTML attribute and CSS property. This all the operators we have. Okay, now I'm going to take one by one, and this is a get text one, await console.log, and we can able to provide a single dollar and single quotation value dot get text. Okay, it will return for value of the text. Okay, and even we can able to make it for is displayed or not and all we can able to get it is display and all it will give you for true or false. Okay, and I can able to take for here placeholder is there and we can able to take the placeholder and double quotation value. Okay, this is a placeholder one, we can able to 1 out of 1 we can able to check whether it is displayed or not. Await console.log, and we can able to use a single quotation and then we can able to specify and is displayed. If it is displayed then we can able to get for true. If it is not display it will give you for false. Okay, is enabled or not, whether we are able to we are able to do it for like editing, we can able to do it or not. If it is enabled, then only we can able to enter, otherwise we can't, right? For that also I can able to use for is enabled or not, enabled or not function. Okay, this is a one another command. Okay, is selected or not, before is selected or not, we can able to is exist or not. The similar format I can able to use for is exist or not, exist or not. Okay, whether that our particular mouse is focused or not. If it is focused our mouse, then it will give you for true, otherwise it will get it for false. Okay, these all operations we'll see, then later we can we'll see another values also. Set also we can able to provide, right? I can take the path here and I can able to await, and here I can able to provide this and set value. Set value I can able to provide for Lokesh. Okay, once it is provided, then again I'm going to make it for clear for that particular text box. Dot clear value. Okay, but before that we can able to make it for some wait, because it will go for very fast. We can't able to see whether it is done or not also. Okay, just I'm doing here. All the values we can able to get it for. See, Lokesh it is presented and also it is cleared, and also we can able to see some true or false conditions. See, true and the full name and false. Okay, all the things we can able to see operations result as well. Okay, and also set we saw, and click we need to take, we need to see, and click purpose I can able to use for refresh. Refresh is basically button ID is there. I can able to use it for a dollar and single quotation has ID value dot a click function. This is a click function. Okay, and then we can able to use another function. Clear we done. Add we need to do it. For add doing, again I'm going to use it for this one, dot add value, and I'm going to use it for Lokesh here. Again I'm going to same place, again I'm going to use for Gorantla. Okay, now again I'm going to use to some time, and we can able to see now add function how it will add. It will add for Lokesh Gorantla, both it will add into a same text box without erasing. Now see, like that we can able to add it. Okay, even we have get attribute, get element size and all, we can able to use it. That also we can able to get. Okay, even that focus and all we got it, right? If you want to get the value attribute for that particular checkbox, even we can able to use it. For the checkbox value for getting purpose, we can able to use, here is ID and value is hockey, and I can able to provide here a weight, a dollar, or console we can, because we need to print for console location, right? We need to get the value attribute for that particular element. We can able to log and dollar single quotation hash value dot a get value. Okay, get value. Now it is provided checkbox CSS selector, but it is not written any value. It is written some value like this. It is written like this. Okay, the element, which is the element we are finding, that key value pair type it will provide, and it will return for that the value of that particular element. Like this, it will get element property. It is getting for the property type. Okay, and remaining things also we can do it the similar format. Even we can get the element size. We can able to provide the logo size you want to get, height and width, what type of width you want to get, what type of height you want to get, whether that particular point is presented or not. Like that we can able to provide, and we can able to do it. Okay, practice yourself for remaining things. These all the things up to here. Okay, attribute and all. Attribute one, I'll explain you some other location. Okay, and HTML location property element size. These all the things you can practice. It will give you for more knowledge about that. Okay, once you start for learning that, it will give you for more knowledge. Okay, you can do it for practice these remaining things. And in case if you are not able to get it, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to give you some code, sample code. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.